Did you know that you can also use Canva for video editing? So in this video, we will run through a simple Canva editing tutorial step by step. Now, Canva Video Editor is super simple to pick up and use, but there's also more advanced features under the hood as well. So to start our video, we want to come over here. As you can see, there are a lot of different templates. For this tutorial, we will start with a blank video. On the left side, you can see Canva provided templates, but because we're creating our video from scratch, we will focus on this section over here. So to start, we need to insert our videos in Canva. Go to Uploads, Upload Files, find the folder where you saved your videos, select your video files. Now when our videos are inserted, we can start to edit them. Now click on the video and drag and drop it here. Now when our footage is here, we can go ahead and remove any of the bad takes. Let's hit the play and watch our video. From this footage, I will cut a couple of seconds from the start and from the end. So to cut our video, let's grab this little triangle here. Move it where you need it, where you want to cut your video. And then right-click on the video and split page. Now, because I don't need the first and the last page from this footage, I will right-click on them and will simply delete them. If you went too far and deleted some extra pages, you can simply press Ctrl-Z or just press on this undo button. There's also one other option how you can trim your video. We can move our mouse over the start of the clip. We can click and hold and drag to the right as far as you need it. You can also edit your footage by applying effects. Go to Edit Video, see all filters, and like always play around, see what kind of filter you want to use, or if you don't want to use, just leave it as it is. Oh yeah, you can also check out this adjust feature as well. The next step is to add any titles or texts into our footage. Under the text section, you can add your custom text over here, or you can use some of the Canva templates. Some of them are for free and some of them are for Canva Pro. But for this video, we will make custom text. Because I want to add text only for the last part of the video, I will split this into 2 pages. Now you can customize your text. Choose font, size and color for your text. You can apply effects and animation as well. Like always, play around with your text. After we customized our text, next thing what we can do, we can also apply transitions between these 2 pages. Find this little plus sign, click on it, and under here is Add Transition. On the left side, we can see different kind of transitions. Choose the best one for you. Now we can go back to Upload and choose other footages to insert in our video. For this tutorial, I will use only 3 footages, so in my case, I'm done with editing. I won't apply any texts to other footages, but there's one more thing I want to add, and that's music. So let's go to Audio. I already have a couple of songs over here, but I won't use these ones, so let's go one more time to Upload Files, find the right file, and click on Open. So now I have my audio over here, just simply drag and drop it. One more thing I noticed, I didn't mute my videos. Just click on your footage and on the right top corner you can see this volume sign. Press on it and turn it down to 0. Do the same for the rest of your video. And one more thing regarding your music choice, you can also apply some effects to your music. Right click on your audio, go to Audio Effects, and you can apply a fade in and fade out effect. I will leave it as it is, but this is just for your information. Play your video, see if everything works well, and if it does, like always, go to Share, Download, and Download. By the way, you can also edit your videos using your mobile devices as well. That's all about Canva Video Editor. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comment section below. And like always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.